Welcome to the show. Great to see you here first. What the fuck?
What the fuck to you?
I'm a pedestrian. Jesus, did you see her? Unbelievable. Like, I'm a pedestrian here. And she's honking at me? Impatience, man. Wow. That's a lot of stuff you can just catch live. And see, I had video on that. You could see she came up really fast. Like, if she hit me, the camera would have caught that. You could tell that that was an angry and bitter woman. Like, her reaction there. Like, she's miserable. You can just tell. People are so fucking miserable nowadays. Like, seriously, for Christ's sake. You don't fucking honk at a pedestrian. I may have stopped for just maybe 1 second to see if I could cross the street, and she honked at me. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh, and by the way, if anyone clips out that part of where that lady almost ran me over at the beginning of this show, for tomorrow, I'll be filing DMCA copyright takedowns on every one of you. It doesn't matter who you are. You clip it, you're getting a copyright takedown. You file a counter notification, I'm not going to see you in the copyright claims board. Now this person's walking the opposite way. I will sue you directly in federal court. That's how we're going to go from here on out. We're going to federal court